Yes, and finally I am at the right side of road because I want to take a right turn. So from the beginning only I was trying to change my lane. Yeah, and successfully have changed it. Now let's go. Oh, here also I have taken the right lane, and here I'll take turn, U-turn. Let's go now. Let's go straight. Okay. So I was here for one meeting, and here I met one guy who was like speaking very confidently, very uh, conveniently, and without any efforts, like just like I speak Marathi. And I talked with him. Some of my colleagues talked with him, and the communication was very fluent. And I was like, this guy must be someone from IIT, or there is no possibility that he is Marathi. But then when everyone left, he got a call, and then he started speaking in Maraठी, and असं एकदम गावंढळपणे आपल्यासारखं एकदम. And I was like, wow, किती छान ना. I really want to be at that position where someone will see my English, will hear my English, and then they are like, oh, you are so fluent, and how do you speak such effortlessly? I want to be at that position. Can I be there? Yes, why not? Why not? Because I am educated, I am a quick learner. Also, I can speak 75% English. I can understand total English. The thing is, I don't have that accent. I don't have very nice vocabulary. My dictionary is very weak. But now it's my duty to change it. That's why I had option to speak in Marathi or Hindi as well. But then I know that I am being a very big person day by day. My followers are increasing, and when I'll meet some people at very big conferences, meetings, or जो events रहते हैं ऐसे बड़े बड़े companies के, in that place, so at that position I want to be confident. I want to express everything in my mind. So yes, 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 yes. I am the first one, guys, who started their bike or who crossed the road after the green signal. Okay, so I was saying that I want to be at that position. I want to be there. And you know what used to happen? No. So we will focus on roads. So I am at near to Western Express Highway wala metro station, and I'm going to uh, towards that metro station only. And here I can see nice roads, big roads with 3 lanes. And in Mumbai it is required. I have seen some roads those who have 3 lanes, but again the left lane, see in this type, the left lane or the third lane is totally considered as parking lane, and people are using it as parking lot. This is not the case here, because this is the dedicated space for parking, I guess. But at some places like Sakinaka metro station ke niche, there you will see those are actually roads, but people are keeping their things on road, parking their vehicles on road just like it's their own property. And I don't know why government is not saying anything to them. Let it be. So empty roads is very big luxury in Mumbai. Yeah, and should I go or should I wait? Let's take a chance. Oh yes, I took a risk, and I think this is free left. No, this is not. I'll wait. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Yeah. So what I was saying that see now here, see the case. The roads are very big. Oh my god, there are so many traffic police. Thank you so much, universe. Thank you so much. I'm not sure that wearing a camera on your helmet is allowed or not. Okay, so let's focus again on our road trip. Let's see how things goes on. People who love to do a chit chat or love to hear a random things that come in my mind, then if you are that person, then please do subscribe to my video, to my channel, so that when I will upload any new video now, you will get a notification of that Varsha on Wheels has uploaded one video and you can see it as early as possible. Though I am confronting by myself that I'm not sharing anything informative or I'm not sharing something. If you don't see it, then like you are losing something. But definitely, I'll say that after seeing my video, you feel me. Like I'm a very normal person, very casual person. I love to speak, I love to talk, and I have a different approach or perspective of seeing things. Suppose if you are seeing any accident, then so I have one observation regarding me that I always feel bad about the person who is suffering. Suppose if person A he has done any mistake and for that mistake he is getting punished by person B. So here it is required, it is necessary, but by seeing the pain on person A's face, or so I feel very bad for person A, though I know that he is the culprit. He has done any mistake or problem or anything, but again I don't know why I am like that, but I'm like that only. I think I need to change. Mm, but don't know. Oh, so here is red signal. Today's it is 5 in the evening, but again traffic is heavy. But I am sure that after 5, the traffic will get heavier and heavier and heavier till 9 or 10. It's difficult. Not difficult. It Yeah, it is difficult. Not impossible because so many Mumbai cars are traveling. Oh wow, here at that place for the first time I'm not seeing any banner for the first time, and I'm saying you in very serious manner because every time when I come here na, ये है कानाकिया वॉल स्ट्रीट एंड उसके पास का ये जो बैनर है वहां पे, every time you come you see banners, holders. Am I doing it right or wrong? I don't know. Yeah, I did the right thing. So here me, wow, I like her dress. Oh wow, I like that type of dresses. Two type of dresses where a girl look like girly, like a very big earring and nice anklet and nice dress. That girly vibe comes in that dress. And again, I love the another type of dress. Being a girl, that in that dress the girl looks very professional and bossy and very nice personality, where like you are going to attend any important meeting or somewhere. So I like those two type of dresses. As a normal भी अच्छे लगते हैं but prominently those two dresses. We have to go straight so we can go because we have open signal, green signal to go straight. Life goes on and 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 on. Ting ting. Wow. Can you see her sari, guys? See that black sari? Hi. हे बाबा मला बघून म्हणते हॅलो गाईज. बाबा नाही बिचारा मुलगा आहे, सॉरी हा दादा. ला 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 जाने दिल में कब से है तू, जब से मैं हूँ तब से है तू. See, I got this experience today, and I know in my upcoming days I'll get so many such experiences, and I'll post them on Insta and or on YouTube, and I will get a lot of subscribers. I am asking universe to make one of my video either short or long so viral that in one video only my channel should get monetized. Hi God, hi universe, if you are listening to me, please do that. Please make my YouTube monetized, and please make me capable of earning some money from my social media, because social media needs lot of efforts, guys. It actually needs, in the morning when you leave your home and you are going to your office, at that time it's 9 or 9:30. At that time now you don't feel like speaking or saying anything. It's like I especially about me, I like calmness, I like silence, and I really on by sitting on bike, I generally get prepared for the whole day for office. There are so many plans running behind my head that what should I do, how should I tackle those situations, conditions, and everything. But when I'm doing this now, motovlogging, I did not get time for doing all those things. But instead of doing things, I feel staying silent is another thing which I need a lot, because I am a as I ekdam talkative person now. Whenever I am with someone, at that time I speak and speak. But riding is the only time where I usually generally don't stay with anyone. I am alone, but now I have a partner. I have partners, so you guys, and while riding also I'm speaking with you guys. This is the case now. Let it be. I don't have any problem, but let it be. But guys, now I am feeling nice because today I spoke well. I spoke effortlessly. I spoke fast. I spoke great things. But now I will work on that. And after 1 year, on in November 2026, you will see me as a fluent speaker attending a podcast in English. Eh, boy. Oh boy. Yesterday, I went to Lower Parel, and in local train, I bought 2 pair of earrings and a pair of anklet or bracelet. I don't know what exactly it is, because it is silver color thing. I purchased it considering it is a bracelet. Wow, here, look her hairs here. I purchased it considering it is a bracelet, but when I was thinking about it today, and then one thought came in my head that it can be anklet as well. So I'll go to home, I'll check what it is, and I will let you know in tomorrow's video. Bapre, see puris. See how many puris are there. This many public is eating pani puri every day. I also wanted to eat. I also want to eat pani puri, guys, but I am having cough and cold, so I can't eat, because in pani puri they have khatta mitha pan, so I'll not eat it. So that was my time, guys. Thank you so very much. I really appreciate if you are liking seeing my videos. If you haven't subscribed my videos yet, please do subscribe. Thank you so very much.